Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we're up here, Overland Expo West, and we found a dog while we were here. New 6th Gen TRD Pro 4Runner. And you can hear him, he wants to talk to all the dogs that are up here as well. Just want to kind of walk around this TRD Pro with you. Factory emblems. Got the signature Westcott license plate on the front. This has got our Westcott Designs TRD Pro lift front and rear. It's got the new Method 321 in the gloss finish. This is actually an 18x9 with a plus 18 offset because we found out that with these bigger fender flares, we really wanted to get the wheels a little bit farther out on the side on this truck. So we're able to do that with this and get it to have a really nice clean look. This has got our low profile Westcott Designs roof rack. It's got a set of our 0 degree with top plates with kick out rock sliders with the MIG welds on these. Got the overlay plate back here in the back corner. And then we did our molly panel back here in the corner. This is the low profile roof rack with the molly panels here. And we circle around the back of this truck. This has got our new ultralight rear hatch ladder with the handles and stuff on it. And you can see some of the detail. This gives you some ideas on some of the other things you can do to these, like the overlay here. We did it to tie in and match the overlays on the rock sliders. And you can just see the detail work that went up into here, just to tie some of these colors into the side of this vehicle, just to make it that much nicer with some of the little detail work and just the attention to detail on some of that stuff that we did on this. We hope you guys enjoyed this new 6th Gen TRD Pro that we have up here at Overland Expo West. If you have any questions or any comments, please go ahead and list those down below. We'll be happy to get back with you on those. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. You don't want to miss out on some of this really good stuff that we're sharing.